Hello my friends, in this video I will show you how to make a Windows 7 bootable USB flash drive. Open the browser and type this address. Then go to this page. Scroll down and click to download ISO downloader. Click the application when it's downloaded in your device. This is the ISO downloader. Click on Windows 7 2018. Choose version. Choose language. The 3.81 GB ISO will start download. After a long time, the ISO is in your device. Now you must download the Rufus. Open the browser and type Rufus. Go to the Rufus page. Scroll down. Go to the latest version. Click on Rufus icon in your device. The Rufus start. Connect the USB flash drive to your device. Choose ISO and click select. Browse and find the 7 ISO. Paste the name of ISO. When the Rufus has recognized the USB stick and the ISO is ready, click on Start. OK. The ISO unzip the files in the USB disk. After some minutes, the bootable USB flash drive with the Windows 7 is ready. Thank you.